Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to turn your dreams into a reality. That's right, you can accomplish anything in this world, and if you can dream it, you can turn it into a reality. And I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that. The first step is to know exactly what your dreams are. Now, when you have a dream, it's definitely likely going to be a big dream, going to be a huge dream, and that's absolutely perfect. But what I want to make sure is that you know specifically what that big dream is. You need to know the specifics about what the dream is. Because when you know and you clarify what the dream is, the second step is going to be a lot easier, because the second step is figure out an action path to turn those dreams or that dream into a reality. Now, if you're unclear about the specifics of your dream, then your action path is going to be very unclear as well. It's going to be blurry as well. So what you need to do is clarify what your dream is. When you clarify what your dream is, which is step number one, you can move on to step number two, which is figure out an action path or an action plan. What do you have to do to turn those dreams into a reality? Now, here's a hint. If your dream is big enough, if your dream is bold enough, it's going to take a lot of work, years worth of work every day to turn it into a reality. So figure out what needs to be done. You can start off by breaking it down into bigger chunks or bigger steps. And then you're going to take each of those steps and break them down into smaller, tiny little steps. So your big steps might be on a 6-month basis. What needs to be accomplished every 6 months? Then your smaller steps might be what needs to be accomplished every month. And then you're going to break that down even further. What do I need to do on a week-by-week basis? And then week by week, you can take those weekly goals and you can start accomplishing them every single day. So the second step is figure out your action plan or your action path to turn your dreams into a reality. The third step is to actually do the work. Now, here's the thing. Dreams are just dreams without work and without effort and without dedication. You need to make a specific effort, a concerted effort to make sure that you're putting in the work every single day. You'll need to work 7 days a week to turn your dreams into a reality. I promise you that, if the dreams are big enough. If you have small dreams, you maybe can get away with 3 or 4 or 5 days a week. But if your dreams are big enough, you're going to need to put in 7 days a week for a couple of years at least. But the good thing is, once those years are over, you'll have turned your dreams into a reality. And if your dream was big enough or bold enough, it's going to keep you happy for a long time. So if you devote 5 years, if it takes 5 years to turn your dreams into a reality, if you devote those 5 years to turning your dreams into a reality, that new reality will likely keep you happy for the rest of your life. If it's your passion, if it's truly a dream, if it's big and bold, if it's what you love, it's going to keep you happy for the rest of your lifetime. So devote those 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, 15 years, whatever it takes to turning your dreams into reality, and you'll be happy forever as long as the dream is actually what you really, truly want. Now, the cool thing about these simple steps is that they can work with anything. Once again, the first step was clarify your dream. Figure out exactly what the big dream is. Okay, and the specifics of it. The second step was figure out an action plan. The third step was actually go forth with the action plan. Put in the work every single day to make those dreams a reality. Now, no matter what your dreams are, you can use this little guide to accomplish those dreams. If you want to be a doctor, you can break it down in a step-by-step manner. Figure out your way to get into medical school, become a doctor, become the best doctor, and then go specifically into something. If you want to be a neurosurgeon, then you can go specifically into that. But you have to use this specific formula to break down the steps. If you want to be a lawyer, go for it. You want to start your own business, go for it. You want to help people all around the world, go for it. It doesn't matter. You want to be a billionaire, go for it. It doesn't matter what your dreams are. Everyone is allowed to dream. Everyone should dream. But the important thing is that I want you to take those dreams and turn them into a reality. And in order to do that, you need to put in the work. So you need to take this formula that I've outlined, put in the work, and then take those dreams that you've dreamt up, turn them into a reality. And you'll have a smile on your face for the rest of your life, because you'll be living out your dreams. Your dreams will now be a reality. And that's basically it. In this video, I have told you how to turn your dreams into reality. It's going to take you a while. It's going to be hard work, but I promise you that it's worth it. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.